Meteorologist Matthew East here with you on this Monday, 8th day of April. And we are starting off the work week with some really nice weather. Let's take a look live from the Avalon Pier web camera during the 5 o'clock hour this morning. And you'll notice here as we flip over to that webcam, the temperature is 55 there along the North Carolina Outer Banks with the south wind around 5 miles per hour. Very quiet start to the day all across the region. Nothing on the radar of note. No concerns out there whatsoever. Now, you have a big batch of some rain and a few thunderstorms in Illinois, Iowa, back down into Missouri, and also a little bit of snow in northernmost parts of Wisconsin and northeastern Minnesota. Otherwise, some rain up that way. And then also a few showers and thunderstorms in northeastern Oklahoma into the Ozarks region there of Arkansas and Missouri. And all that activity generally along a frontal boundary that's off to the north of us and will stay to the north of us here over the next several days. Now yesterday, what a delightful Sunday. Low 70s, some mid 70s out there across the Piedmont and the foothills. Just a beautiful day, and it's going to be even warmer today. Our temperatures largely in the 50s this morning during the 5 o'clock hour. And we'll head up into the mid and upper 70s in many spots this afternoon. And this warm air just flooding the southeast at 66 degrees in Dallas, 64 in St. Louis. Even 54 in Columbus, Ohio. And again, as I mentioned a moment ago, you kind of have this front draped right about through there. And you'll have some waves of precipitation along that front, but just a lot of warm air, generally speaking, south of the front. So here's what it looks like over the next couple of days. That warm pattern just settling all across the southeastern parts of the country. If you've been wanting warm spring weather, here it comes as we go through the next several days. In fact, I think many of us topping 80 for highs tomorrow and Wednesday, and maybe, depending on the timing of the next system, Thursday too. Now there is our next system. This is this afternoon back in the western parts of the country. By the time you get out to 96 hours, that's Thursday evening. This is the European model. Here it comes, swinging through the Mississippi Valley, and the timing is a little quicker on the GFS. I think I can show you that here in just a couple of moments. And on the European, you'll notice not a huge cool down over the weekend, but there will be some cooler temperatures moving in. Still a southwest flow aloft, with some cool air bleeding southward underneath that over the upcoming weekend. So let's talk about the next system. This is 66 hours, so this is Wednesday afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms breaking out there across the southern plain states and the lower Mississippi Valley. For that reason, there's your day 3 severe weather outlook, and the probabilities are actually pretty high in there. So this, depending on how the orientation of this trough unfolds, how much instability gets involved, could be a pretty significant severe weather threat over parts of the Mississippi Valley region Wednesday night into Thursday morning. We will see. All right, then back to the European chart here. This is 96 hours, so this is Thursday evening. And the European basically keeps Thursday dry across the Carolinas, but then brings the showers and storms in Thursday night into Friday morning. Now the GFS is quicker with this timing, so here's Wednesday night on the GFS, and then you get out to Thursday evening, and so Thursday afternoon you've seen this rain spread into, and the thunderstorms too, spread into the Carolinas late in the day Thursday into Thursday evening, and then on the GFS it's gone by Friday morning basically. So we will see. The timing a bit in question. The Canadian is also generally in agreement with the slower timing. This is Thursday evening on the Canadian. It's in line with the European timing as well. So we shall see. The bottom line is we're going to get a pretty decent storm system through here either Thursday night or Friday. Good round of showers and storms, and depending on the instability available, it could involve some severe weather around the Carolinas. So we'll keep an eye on that for late this week. All right, that's it for today. Everybody have a wonderful Monday, and God bless.